How to hide typing in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to hide your typing status on WhatsApp. If you ever wanted to type a message without the other person knowing, this video is for you. So, let's get right into it. First, you need to open up WhatsApp. Then you need to open up the profile that you want to send the message to. If you want to hide the typing status on Facebook, there is only one effective way to do it. This method is especially useful when you are crafting an important message and don't want to risk embarrassing yourself by deleting it after they have seen you typing. Now, you need to simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and to access the quick settings menu. Then you need to simply go ahead and tap on airplane mode icon. Once it's activated, you will be offline. Now you can go ahead and type your message without the other person seeing that you are typing. Take your time to craft the perfect message. Once you are done, you need to simply swipe down from the top right corner again to the settings, and then you need to turn off the airplane mode. Now you can send your message without anyone knowing that you were typing. And that's it. It's a quick and easy way to hide your typing status on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.